Welcome to the import scheduler. In this video, I'll be walking you through your import emailer configuration wizard. This is the place where you can decide on some settings for who can email scheduled imports and who gets alerted if there's an error, that sort of thing. So first we have to find this custom record. You can do that by typing in your top global search bar here, page import emailer configuration wizard, and you'll come to this page. It's important to note you shouldn't create a new one of these records because one already exists. We're just editing the one that we need. So click edit, and that will take you to this record, the import emailer configuration wizard record. There are several multi-select fields here. These first two have to do with when something goes wrong, sort of covering your bases. This first field is to be used if someone that's not authorized to import a file via email to your account sends an email anyways. We want to let someone at your company know, hey, it looks like someone either made a mistake and is emailing from the wrong email account, or maybe there's someone trying to make an attack upon your account, so that you can protect yourself and report that email. So select an appropriate employee or employees. Say we select two of them, and both of these people will be alerted if someone sort of illicitly tries to send an email. Then if there's any sort of error in the import process or in the formatting of the request, we want someone to be notified so they can address it and make sure all the important data got to where it needed to go. Let's say, well, Colin should get all those. He's a good person to handle that. And this person ideally should be someone who can read a little bit of code, because the error message that come back might be written in code. Okay. If you check this checkbox, then the error message also gets sent to whoever initially requested the scheduled import via email. So depending on who these people are, if they're employees, you probably do want to check this box. If they're vendors or customers, maybe you don't want to check this box because you don't want them to know there was an error. Then you need to select one employee to be the author or sender of any error message emails. Again, most of these are just kind of just in case, right? And will hopefully never be used, or rarely. This last box is very important, and you will use this more often. These are all the entities that are allowed to send an email and have that email result in an import. These are employees, these are customers, these are vendors, these are partners, and you select some combination of those entities. So say Kevin Kelly and Caleb Schmitz should both be able to import, and we don't want anybody else to be able to import. And then we click Save. And that's done. You've configured your import emailer.